Hey, I may need the take this off. I think I'm gonna have to undo the bars here.
Yeah, you gotta do it anyways.
Yeah.
Take that off.
I'll get everything off.
Yeah, I'd probably take that last.
What am I gonna do with the turn signals once I get them loose?
Left flop.
Just let them hang?
Yeah. Oh, it's pre-oiled.
Nice.
So you know how the Magnum petcock would go all the way around?
Yeah.
This one don't do that. It only follows a set path. What size did you grab?
12. And there's
12.
10, 11.
I can see why Dan doesn't do this shit like with people around.
Because it just feels weird. It does.
Talking to the camera and having an extra person around.
Yeah.
You know, just kind of not quite understand.
Tank's not dented anywhere?
Right there, I guess.
Yeah, it's not really a dent. It's more just a chip on the paint.
More or less, the paint's kind of just missing on it. But nah, I think it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it sat for a long time. Like there was periods of time in its life it didn't get any love. It sat in the garage.
It's a shame.
It is a shame, but it's also a benefit.
It's tighter than the Virgin on prom night.
Yeah.
It's fucking tight. I think we need some lube, to be honest.
You lost my tip.
Oh, yeah. That's how those are supposed to go right there.
Yeah, like that. Like that's more better. What? More better? What? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with more better?
I don't know if that's proper grammar.
What is proper grammar for?
It's a two-man job.
Yeah, it's a pop saw. You got. It's pretty cheap.
That ain't too bad.
Hey! All right, dude. High five. Nice. That sounds good.
Good snap. Good snap back. I mean, it got a little throttle play, but
It's pretty good. I think a test ride would be more like
able
it
to
works
tell.
good. Yeah.
do you want your brake lever more flat, up a little bit, right there? Does that hold that 2.2 or that shock?
Yeah. Holds the strap and shock.
Scary.
Yeah.